you agree with that, Davide, that it's the central bank's fault?
Well, certainly the word temporary that they used in 2020 and 21 was very unfortunate because inflation wasn't temporary. It's obvious now that it's structural for many reasons. Now, I think though in this banking crisis in a way, I would characterize as the banking crisis of the rich. If you think about it, SVB was the bank, Silicon Valley, all the tech guy, startups, and all the venture capitalists. I mean, the average deposit was more than $10 million. I mean, that's not a retail bank. That hit First Republic, which is the bank of the hedge fund manager and the private equity guys in New York. They panicked too. And Credit Suisse was the bank of the global rich. So the funny thing is, this time, the banking crisis happens when banks make bad loans. It's an asset problem. This time, assets are fine. It's a liability problem. And guess what? It's in banks which have, they're not the normal bank. A normal bank has 100 million deposits per branch. Here, Silicon Valley Bank had 10 billion. So in a way, it's institutional run, very concentrated clientele, all billionaires. And they all panicked. They're all on social media. And all of a sudden it says, oh, wow, I don't trust it, just move. But that's not what's going to happen to the rest of the banking system. That's what I want to make it very clear.
So what, if you want a safe, sound bank, don't bank to billionaires?
Well, I would say
billionaires
don't go,
that are
sorry,
on social media.
Maybe the question raised is, how smart are these billionaires? Yeah, if they had all the money in 3 banks, so they can have a bank run in 3 days. Maybe they're not that smart.